CNN's Elie Honig says Fani Willis' disqualification is final nail in the coffin of Trump's Georgia case. It turns out here that CNN senior legal analyst Elie Honig said Thursday that Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis' disqualification will bring the election interference case against the president-elect Donald Trump to an end. We have the full clip for you. It's pretty remarkable. Check this out.
Election subversion against Donald Trump and a whole cadre of other co-defendants. Caitlin Polans was saying that potentially this case is just completely dead now. Is that the case? Is it completely dead, or is it possible you could have another prosecutor come in and take it over?
Well, Jim, for all practical purposes, it's over. This case was already in deep trouble because of the conduct of the district attorney, Fani Willis, and now it's all but over. So just to remind people, this is one of the 4 criminal indictments that had been brought against Donald Trump. The allegations that Fani Willis made here and the Fulton County DA's office made here related to Donald Trump's effort to subvert the 2020 election. There are many other defendants beyond Donald Trump in this case. Now, during the pretrial process, Donald Trump and some of his co-defendants alleged that the DA, Fani Willis, had a conflict of interest. She had a relationship, which she later admitted, with Nathan Wade, a person who had been brought in from the outside to be the lead prosecutor on this case. There were a series of televised hearings on this issue last year, during which Fani Willis and Nathan Wade both testified, yes, we had this relationship, but it didn't start until after Nathan Wade became the lead prosecutor. And then with regard to the allegation that their finances had been intermingled because Nathan Wade was being paid a lot of money to work on this case, the testimony was essentially that they split the costs on everything and they did it all by cash. Well, the trial judge here found that there were significant questions about the truthfulness of Fani Willis's testimony. The trial judge said, quote, the odor of mendacity remains around this case. He said there's real questions about whether her testimony was untruthful. That's a quote, untruthful, from the trial judge. But nonetheless, the trial judge said, well, we can solve this if Nathan Wade leaves the case. And that's what ended up happening. But clearly, the Court of Appeals has now decided that's not sufficient. They lay substantial blame at the feet of the elected district attorney, Fani Willis. And now, as a result, this case, it's not quite dismissed, but it means that Fani Willis and her office will be disqualified from handling it. And as a practical matter, it now goes into a sort of purgatory for an undefined amount of time. It's not coming back. It's over.
Yeah, and Elie, I guess this begs the question.
Yeah, so that's pretty remarkable. I mean, the fact is, look, it is over for them, and they should just give up while they still have the chance. Now, that being said, they obviously call it house stealing, as you may know, and you've probably heard about this devastating crime on the news because it's a big problem. Scammers can transfer your home title, take out loans in your name, and leave you with nothing but a financial and emotional disaster. Now, if you own a home or any real estate, it is crucial that you protect your property and equity from these criminals. And there's no better way I know of than HometitleLock.com/VNN. If you haven't checked it out before, now is the time. I've arranged for my listeners to get free title scans, check if your home is still in your name, plus 30 days of free Home Title Lock's triple lock protection. That's 24/7 monitoring of your title, urgent alerts if anything has changed, and most importantly, restoration of your title if there is ever any fraud. You will immediately be protected and will get 30 days free when you use promo code VNN at sign up. Protect your home, your equity, and your peace of mind right now at HOMETITLELOCK.com/VNN, promo code VNN. That's HometitleLock.com/VNN today. Don't wait until it's too late and you get scammed. If you're a homeowner or know someone who is, get them this right now for Christmas. You won't regret it.